Hi everybody, how's it going? This is Camila Rose and I'm back for our April Paycheck 2. We've got a lot going on, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. If you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you all in just a minute. Okay, so we got a lot to do in this video. This paycheck date was April 1st, technically, 2nd, 2021, because the 2nd was Good Friday, or is Good Friday, because I'm filming this on the 2nd. And so we were off, and since we were off, we got paid a little bit early. So let's see what our payments are. I'm going to go down just a little bit more. There we go. Make it a little easier to see. I need to hole punch these and get them actually put in there. Envelopes as always are $300. And then NTTA. Still putting some money aside for NTTA, $5. I think I'll just keep going till I get 100 and then I'll stop. Charter is $80. That's our internet. Geico is $180. That's our car insurance. Why is car insurance so expensive? T-Mobile, cell phones, $135. Gym membership, $11. Hopefully I can get back in the gym this month. Netflix, $16. Oops, 16. That looks crazy. Metro, $60. Travel is $25. Business gets $85. Then we have savings gets $167. It's usually on the next line. I wonder why it's down here. House gets $430. Cushion gets, oh, I spelled cushion wrong. Cushion gets $10. Oh, travelers. I forgot my in-car insurance, or my renter's insurance. Okay. Figured out what I was missing. Okay, debt gets $164. And then travelers, which is my renter's insurance, is $20. And that zeroes that one out. Not gonna do envelope stuffing. I already did that because I went ahead and got all my shopping done because I was like, I got a day off. I'm gonna take advantage of it. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to move some of this money around. As you can see, we've got some money here. We've got some things to do, y'all. All right, so first things first, we will have, I pulled out, as you know, I do not always get gas, but I always give myself $30 for gas, so I have extra gas money left over, right? Okay, so because of that, I'll take whatever I have left over from the gas and I will pull that out and I will use that to put in other accounts. So in this case, we had $28 left over. So I divide those up between two specific areas, my singing bowls, because that's one of my main goals to get done. And then I put the other half of whatever is left towards school loans. So I have a little school loans envelope. And I don't think I've been counting this money up. This is to pay off the interest from last year that accrued when the loans capitalized, I guess, at the end of the year. I do have some forms, though. I have some new forms, even though I don't see the one that I want for deposits towards savings. Oh, because I want to use a different form for payment. So I won't actually write this down. I'll just continue, especially since I'm not actually paying it yet. I'll just add this to it. So this is what we had in our school loans envelope. We had 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And we're adding 14 to that. So we'll add the 4. We'll add the 10. We'll recount it. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. 63 buckaroos to go pay on some of that, which is exciting. It's not a lot, but you know, it's something. And then, so that's taken care of. And then we got $14 for our singing bowls. Always adding to the singing bowls. Always trying to save up that $140 so I can get my next singing bowl. Super excited. Always glad to make some progress towards that. We just added in $2 from closing out our March paycheck. So let's get this one counted. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 total. And now we're adding in another 14. Y'all, I love it. I'm so excited. Okay. All right, so 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. $79. We are over the halfway point. Just a little bit further to go. I cannot wait. Okay, so 14 towards that. So that part is done. Now, what's our next part we have to do? Okay, so some of these, trying to find my pen. I've lost my pen. Did I lose it? Here it is. Okay. You're like, there's a pen. I don't want to use that one. Okay. Some of these I actually pull out. So I pull out the 5 for NTTA. So that is, I believe, in this pile. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is actually in this container. And I have a lovely, oh, I'll need hair. So let me leave hair out. Training. Where is NTTA? Oh, here. There we go. NTTA. So that one gets 5. And we'll leave the hair out. We'll put that up here. There we go. And let's see where NTTA is now. I need to update it. So we have 20, 40, 45, 50 now in NTTA. So we're halfway to the $100 I'm going to save in NTTA. And then I'll put this up because I like to keep things in order. So who's next? That's cash. Business gets pulled out. And so that is 85. Oh, that's this big mama over here. So I got a ton of 1s, a ton of 5s, and a ton of 10s because all I ever have is 20. I never have change. It's just such a big mess. I was like, I need smaller bills. So let us count out $85. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 75, 80, 80. This can't be the right stack for this, can it? Because there's so many in there. Hold on a second, y'all. Oh, I know I have something else, though. I have something else that I have to pull out for this. Which one? What else had to get pulled out? Because there were 3. Oh, 164. Let's see if this is the 164. Looks like 4 for debt. Okay. Well, let's just count it out. It's supposed to be 85, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. That's where I messed up. There we go. My counting was off. Okay, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it should be 85. Y'all, what is going on? Okay. Well, we know this is 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. We're missing a dollar somewhere. So we will find it. Yes, we will. Okay. Well, there's that one for business. We got to set that one to the side anyway. Our next one that we would need is for debt, which should be 164. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 164. So we will actually take that and put that in our debt envelope right here. Here we go. This goes in our debt envelope, boop, 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 which we already had $16 put away from our prior one. So now we're adding in that 164. Whew, that's a lot of 10s. And I will probably go switch some of these out with some 20s in some of my other ones, my other envelopes. Okay. So now for our extra payment towards debt, towards my car is going to be, let's get these right, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 180 so far going to the car. And I will just continue to collect this money throughout the month of April. And then at the end of April, I will make an extra payment on my car. Alrighty. Ooh, it's thick. Ooh, it's thick, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, it's too thick. It's too thick. Ooh, it didn't even want to close. Okay. So that's done. Now you're like, you still have more money? Yes, because from my overtime, I pull out $25 for my hair, and I pull out $25 for school loans, and I pulled out some money because I owe taxes. Trash. So 20, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Told you I would find that dollar. There's the dollar I was missing for the 85 for my business. There we go. So, like I said, I'm just going to need this hair envelope. So we're adding 25 to this. And again, this is more than likely going to be an envelope that I take some of these 5 and these 1s out and trade those out for others. Maybe. We'll see. We'll see. Definitely will make sure I don't need to get more of those. And we actually get to put more into the school loans. School loans is getting thick. Oh my goodness. It gets more. Okay. So we just counted this one. So let's just add this 14 in there. And let's see where we are now in the savings. Ooh, these thick. I'm going to have to get some 20s for these. 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Oh my God, there was a 10 in here. What in the world is happening? Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, hold on. Gotta go back. Gotta get it right. Okay. All right. 20. Okay. 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. $88 now. Woo! It's already grown, y'all. This one's gonna be thick too. We're about to have to do a exchange and switch some of this money out, y'all. We need some 20s. Okay. that is it, y'all. That is everything. I will be taking this 85 and putting this 85 into the business account. That better not be that dollar I was looking for. And that will be it, y'all. So thank you for watching. Let me know how your paychecks are going. Let me know how your savings are going. And I will see you all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.